The doorbell rang. Once I locked it twice. I remember the click. Then the second one, just to be sure. Short breath. It was past midnight. No cars outside, no footsteps in the hallway. Then the doorbell rang. Once. Pause. Not loud. Not urgent. Just calm. Like someone already knew I'd answer. I waited, heart pounding, slow breath. I finally opened the door. The hallway was empty, cold air drifting in, and the light at the end was still swinging. Pause. No one was there. Again.